Professional tax is the tax charged by the state governments in India. Anyone earning an income from salary or anyone practicing a profession such as chartered accountant, lawyer, doctor etc. are required to pay this professional tax. Different states have different rates and methods of collection. In India, professional tax is imposed at the state level. However, not all states impose this tax. The following states impose this levy in India: Karnataka, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Assam, Chhattisgarh, Kerala, Meghalaya, Orissa, Tripura and Madhya Pradesh. Business owners, working individuals, merchants and people carrying out various occupations comes under the purview of this tax. Professional tax is levied by particular municipal corporations and majority of the Indian states impose this duty. It is a source of revenue for the government. The maximum amount payable per year is 2,500 Indian rupees and in line with taxpayer's salary, there are predetermined slabs. It is also payable by members of staff employed in private companies. It is deduced by the employer every month and sent to the municipal corporation. It is mandatory to pay professional tax. The taxpayer is eligible for income tax deduction for this payment. Applicability of professional tax as per the Constitution of India, Article 276 of the Constitution of India lays down that a €OIFIR shall be levied and collected a tax on professions, trades, callings and employments, in accordance with the provisions of this Act. Every person engaged in any profession, trade, calling or employment and falling under one or the other of the classes mentioned in the second column of the schedule shall be liable to pay to the state government tax at the rate mentioned against the class of such persons in the third column of the said schedule. Provided that entry 23 in the schedule shall apply only to such classes of persons as may be specified by the state government by notification from time to time. What is professional tax? Professional tax is levied by state government on the income earned by the way of profession, trade, calling or employment. The power to levy professional tax has been given to the states by way of clause of Article 276 of the Constitution of India. Click here for complete details. Article 276 in Constitution of India, 1949, notwithstanding until provisions to the contrary is made by Parliament by law, and any law so made by Parliament may be made either generally or in relation to any specified states, municipalities, boards or authorities, the power of the legislature of a state to make laws is aforesaid with respect to taxes on professions, trades, callings and employments shall not be construed as limiting in any way the power of Parliament to make laws with respect to taxes on income accruing from or arising out of professions, trades, callings and employments. What is the amount of professional tax? The professional tax is a slab amount based on the gross income of the professional. It is deducted from his income every month. Slab for professional tax varies across different states in India. Click here for the different slab rates. In which states is professional tax applicable? The state governments of the following states have levied professional tax: Karnataka, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Assam, Chhattisgarh, Kerala, Meghalaya, Orissa, Tripura, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh. Who is responsible to deduct professional tax? The owner of a business is responsible to deduct professional tax from the salaries of his employees and pay the amount so collected to the appropriate government department. He/she has to furnish a return to the tax department in the prescribed form within the specified time. The return should include the proof of tax payment. In case the payment proof is not enclosed, the return shall be deemed incomplete and invalid. Sec. 16(e). How to register for professional tax. Apply for the registration certificate to your state tax department within 30 days of employing staff for your business. If you have more than one place of work, apply separately to each authority as regards the place of work coming under the jurisdiction of that authority. Penalties for non-compliance on professional tax payment: delays in obtaining registration certificate, a penalty of Rs5/ per day. In case of non-late payment of profession tax, penalty will be 10% of the amount of tax. In case of late filing of returns, a penalty of Rs 1,000 per return will be imposed if you filed after due date in 1 month. After 1 month, penalty should be Rs 2,000 will be imposed. From 01/2015, file your professional tax returns free, State Maharashtra only.